Hi friends, today we are making viral American grinder salad lettuce cups, a raw, no-cook twist on the deli sandwich that is crunchy, creamy, tangy, and ready fast. This recipe makes 4 servings, and the prep time is 20 minutes. Let's walk through the ingredients. 1 small head of iceberg lettuce gives the grinder salad its classic cold crunch, so choose a firm head with tight leaves. 8 large romaine lettuce leaves become the fresh cups for serving, and the sturdier outer leaves hold the filling best. 6 ounces thin sliced deli turkey adds lean savory flavor, and using ready-to-eat deli turkey keeps this recipe fully no-cook. 4 ounces thin sliced salami brings the bold grinder shop flavor, so a thin slice works best for easy chopping and tossing. 4 ounces provolone cheese adds creamy, mild richness that balances the vinegar and pepperoncini. 1 cup cherry tomatoes adds juicy sweetness and bright color, especially when the tomatoes are ripe and firm. 1/2 small red onion gives sharp crunch, and slicing it very thin keeps the bite pleasant instead of overpowering. 1/4 cup sliced pepperoncini adds tangy heat, and a little of that briny flavor makes the salad taste like a real grinder. 1/2 cup mayonnaise makes the dressing creamy and helps it cling to every shred of lettuce. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar gives the dressing its deli-style tang and cuts through the richness. 1 tablespoon olive oil smooths the dressing and adds a little fruity body. 1 teaspoon dried oregano is the signature seasoning here, giving the salad that Italian-American deli aroma. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt wakes up the vegetables and dressing, but the deli meats already bring plenty of saltiness. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a gentle bite that makes the creamy dressing taste brighter. To begin the preparation, rinse and thoroughly dry 8 large romaine lettuce leaves and 1 small head of iceberg lettuce. The leaves need to be dry so the creamy dressing clings instead of sliding off. Now that the greens are clean, set the 8 romaine leaves aside for serving, and cut the small head of iceberg lettuce into thin shreds. With the lettuce ready, chop 6 ounces thin sliced deli turkey into bite-sized ribbons so every lettuce cup gets a little turkey in each bite. Next, chop 4 ounces thin sliced salami into small strips, keeping the pieces similar in size to the turkey for an even toss. After the meats are chopped, slice 4 ounces provolone cheese into thin strips, which gives the salad creamy pockets without big heavy pieces. Now have 1 cup cherry tomatoes so their juices can mix lightly into the dressing later. Thinly slice 1/2 small red onion, aiming for delicate slivers that bring crunch without taking over the salad. Place 1/2 cup mayonnaise in a small bowl, then add 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar and 1 tablespoon olive oil to start the creamy grinder dressing. Season that dressing with 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Whisk the dressing for about 30 seconds, until it looks smooth, glossy, and lightly speckled with oregano and pepper. Transfer the shredded iceberg lettuce to the large clear mixing bowl, spreading it out so it can catch the dressing evenly. Add the chopped 6 ounces turkey, chopped 4 ounces salami, and sliced 4 ounces provolone to the bowl with the lettuce. Add 1 cup have cherry tomatoes, 1/2 sliced red onion, and 1/4 cup sliced pepperoncini, letting those bright vegetables bring color and tang. Pour all of the creamy oregano dressing over the salad ingredients, scraping the bowl so none of that tangy dressing is left behind. Toss the salad for about 1 minute, folding from the bottom of the bowl until the lettuce, meats, cheese, tomatoes, onion, and pepperoncini are lightly coated. Let the tossed salad stand for 5 minutes. This short rest helps the oregano bloom and gives the iceberg a slightly softer deli salad texture while staying crisp. Arrange the 8 romaine leaves on a white oval platter, curved side up, so they form sturdy little cups for the filling. Spoon the rested grinder salad into the romaine leaves, dividing it evenly so each serving gets 2 filled lettuce cups. Finish the cooking by serving the grinder salad lettuce cups immediately, while the romaine is crisp and the filling is cold, creamy, and tangy. And there it is, a raw, crunchy American grinder salad that delivers the deli sandwich flavor from the intro, but in fresh lettuce cups. Serve it right away while the romaine is crisp, with extra napkins nearby. If you enjoyed this no-cook recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy kitchen ideas.